So, on average, how long would you say your calls are? Right, to like where you feel satisfied. Obviously, every seller is different. Some people don't engage, but they do want to sell.
Yeah.
How long does it take? Like, is it like 40 minutes, 30 minutes?
So that's a good question. I think I really haven't averaged out, but I looked at a couple of my calls, like the real like I'm talking about the ones where we build report, went through the whole process. I'm about 25 to 30 minutes. That's what
Second
my
call or first one?
first call, the first
Okay.
call. Yeah. Second call is about the same. So just because here's the thing, like you gotta be able to move the self forward. Like you just can't chit chat, bro. Like you can't just talk about the weather. You can't just, my favorite color is blue, red. Like those things they have a place, but when you're a professional, and this is something that I talked to, me and Adrian had talked about, when we did our first live, like you got to be able to know your salesman personality should never leave you, but you should leave him in the car every now and then. Like you cannot pull him out every single scenario. But you need him. You need that salesman ego, so that way you can push the sale forward. But you got to do it strategically, right? So my calls, bro, are yeah. I add a little bit of humor. I add a little bit, personal touch to it. But it's always about business and moving the sale forward, right? Because again, like we said earlier, do you want to know if you have somebody that you're going to do business with in the first 5 minutes or 45 minutes later down the call? So I want to know within the first 5 minutes. And I'm not pushing, I'm just asking questions, right? And that's what's going to help me to know. So usually I'm averaging about 25, 30 minutes on the first one. And then on the second call, typically it's about 20, 25 minutes again.